Hello everyone, this is Girish and I will give a quick introduction, a high-level overview on Smart Street. So let's get started. So let's look at the agenda. Why Smart Street? What is Smart Street? Smart Street platform and next steps. Why Smart Street? So the motivation. Smart Street project was initiated to provide innovative technology solution for smart city concept with intelligent platform, which will help connect individuals, institutions, vendors, government agencies, partners on ESG. ESG stands for environmental, social, and governance, and circular economy with initial focus on environmental aspect with respect to waste management, water management, and energy management process workflow. So let's look at the waste generation scenario in India. India generates over 150,000 tons of solid waste per day, out of which roughly 50% is treated. And over 25% goes to landfill, and rest of the waste remains littered over black spots, like unused land, site, or open space, or drainage, lakes, river. Due to various reasons, such as lack of timely waste collection or waste collection not happening. Also, lack of waste segregation, wet, dry, reject waste is another major reason where waste collected ends up in landfill. And this is one example of black spot here. And things have been better, I would say, but we still see this, and this requires addressing that. This is one example of landfill. It's not a good scene to see this, but if you don't segregate waste, which basically means the wet waste is separate, it can be composted. Dry waste is separate, so it can be recycled, it can go to a recycle plant, and the domestic hazardous waste, which actually can be treated as needed. So that will help save environment. Water consumption. India is now the largest user of groundwater worldwide, pumping out 25% of all the groundwater extracted in the world, due to which most of the regions in India are threatened by groundwater depletion and contamination. High usage of groundwater consumption via borewell and water tanker is causing depletion of groundwater along with soil erosion. So we might have seen this water tanker distribution, and that shows the scarcity of water and how much we depend on groundwater. And this is another example of the water tanker for building, a residential building, office building. We can all help save water, save a drop of water and future will be saved as much as possible. We can do that. Let's look at energy consumption scenario in India. India is one of the third largest consumer of energy in the world, more than 70% of which is supplied by fossil, which is the coal. Burning coal contributes to air pollution and carbon emissions. Diesel generator-based electricity usage creates noise pollution from running of the same, which also adds to air pollution due to carbon emissions. And so this is one example of coal power plant where we see the pollution cost, but this is the only source of power in India. 70%, more than 70% of power supply is through coal plant. And there is a diesel generator for large scale building, commercial, residential, which causes both noise pollution and air pollution. We should all strive effort to save energy as much as possible, use less. But what is Smart Street? Is it the solution? So we basically started looking at what's the focus of Smart Street, right? So we wanted to look at audit compliance for waste, water, and energy management process, which is driven via data analytics, descriptive, predictive, and prescriptive, right? We wanted to have a campaign management, automation of campaign management and maintenance management. Campaign management is awareness and educational on waste segregation, water conservation, energy conservation, and efficient handling of maintenance related activity for any building or any locality. Then integration of analytics and automation workflow with end-to-end building management. So in the initial POC stage, we basically had descriptive analytics, self-service portal, workflow, and 24/7 bot. We use Zoho Analytics platform, Zoho bot integration platform, and Zoho Forms to really come up with this set of modules. And then we also want to go to discovery stage where basically we want to look at predictive analytics, anomaly detection, and campaign management along with integration. The future is also something which we want to start looking at it because we will require prescriptive analytics and routing engine and automation and basically blockchain. Now here, these are advanced level of modules which will help to drive certain aspects of the business, which can be done via SmartStreet platform, which is AI, analytics, and automation, right? So basically, SmartStreet platform will connect various partners, vendors, individuals, right, for communication and collaboration on waste, water, and energy management process. There will be 24/7 help desk via chatbot and voice bot to handle maintenance requests and ticket processing related to large-scale building or establishment, campaign management to spread awareness via digital social media on waste segregation, water and energy conservation practices for large-scale building or establishment. The technology stack or the area which we'll be working is, of course, the cloud computing, machine learning, deep learning, and blockchain. Next steps, the collaboration. Feel free to connect with me if you'd like to know more or would like to explore what you can contribute in terms of as a part of the team. And basically, we can collaborate on projects, on competition projects, or workshops which we do to learn certain topics in AI and data science. So thank you very much for watching this, and hope this was able to provide you a quick overview on SmartStreet. Please feel free to reach out, and looking forward to collaboration and working together. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye.